Where's Lil?
Lil?
Lil's not here.
Oh, where is Lil?
Here.
Sorry, Miss Lipper. Oh, there you are, Lil. Come on. Keep up. I told you to stay with the class. Could you just try to be not naughty just for one day, please? Sorry, Miss Lipper. Sorry, Miss Lipper. She's still well behaved, though. They're all waiting for me outside. Look over here. It's the sign of the skull. There's trouble ahead.
You should go to ladies' I stink.
Later today, we'll burgle this place. I'm gonna steal an exhibit or two. I'm gonna take that old crown and melt it right down. And there isn't anything anyone can do.
Have you got a pirate name? What's your pirate name?
It's called Granola One Eye.
What? Granola One Eye.
My name is Riley the Pirate Robot. She needs a peg leg.
So, now that we are all pirates, we are going to have to use our sneaking skills again. So, on your tiptoes. On your peg leg. On your tiptoes. Or on your peg leg, that's right.
Oh, right. It's a statue. Oh, phew, I thought it was real. Oh, and look at a stuffed bird. How absurd. Right, now let's get on and steal. What have we got? Right, let's see what's round here. Just squeeze my way past here. Oh, look at this beautiful, shiny, sparkly necklace. I'll have that, thank you. Oh, look at these silly little mannequins as well. Oh, excuse me, don't mind me. Oh, a colourful mask. I'll have that, thank you very much. What have we got round here? Just squeeze my belly right over this one here and take this. A whale's tooth. Wow. Pointy and all strange, I like that. What is in here? Excuse me, mannequins. I'll just get them. Oh, a shiny, sparkling candelabra. I'll have that. Right, I think I've got all the treasure I need. I'm going to head upstairs and steal some goodies from up there.
Right, crew. Are you ready?
Yes.
I think I spotted Stinkbeard. Did he steal anything from your room?
Yes. Candy.
A silver candlestick?
He stole a shark tooth. No, it was a whale tooth.
A whale's tooth?
And he put his beard in my face. I was like,
He burnt right near me. What does Stinkbeard's beard smell like?
Disgusting. I was a little fish and burgers.
Rotten fish and birds. Yeah. So, can anybody put up their hand and tell me, describe, what does Stinkbeard smell like? What did he sound like? What did he look like? Was there anything in his beard? What do you think? What can you tell us?
He looked abominable.
Did you hear that word? Can you say that again really loudly?
Abominable.
He looked abominable. Oh my goodness, what a word. And did anybody notice how bad he smelled?
Yeah.
What did the smell remind you of?
He reminded me of 100 rubbish trash cans.
100 rubbish trash cans.
That's what it smelled like.
Oh, what do you think is inside 100 rubbish trash cans?
Well, I think there's bird poop and baby nappies.
Bird poo and baby nappies. Is that what he smells like? Oh, yeah.
Simon Tide Museum immersive experience this morning was absolutely fantastic. The children were whooping with joy and really excited, chasing around after Swashbuckle Lil and after the pirate as well. And it was absolutely amazing when she disappeared in that box. So they were really excited about that. And I think the whole experience is just going to set them up for a great writing opportunity, which they're going to carry out with Elli as well.
I managed to get all of the lovely treasure out of this museum, and there weren't nothing that no one could do about it. Not Swashbuckle Lil, not her crew, not no one. I just heard a sneeze from inside my crate, and I recognised that sneeze. That was the sneeze of that no good, mischievous Swashbuckle Lil, which means I've got her trapped. Which means not only do I have the treasure, I've got my hands on Swashbuckle Lil. Looks like the game is up, Swashbuckle. Looks like you are finally mine. No treasure, no crown, no Swashbuckle Lil. Oh, darn you, Swashbuckle Lil.
I'm Elli Woolard. I'm the author of Swashbuckle Lil, and today I've been doing like a verse workshop with the children. So we went to Verse Island on a bit of an adventure.
Today we are going on a quest to help you write in verse, but you will need to find a treasure chest or something much worse.
Brilliant, well done.
We looked at various aspects of verse. So we looked at rhyme, and what is a rhyme?
Green.
Peas or cheese or fleas, yeah.
And we looked at rhythm and how a verse needs to have a beat to it as well as just a rhyme.
We stomp down the street to the rhythm of the beat.
And then we looked at onomatopoeias, and I got the kids to write some of their own and invent them.
Scratchy, squishy, slushy, sludge. We've reached the swamp lands here. We'll have to stamp and tramp and trudge in.
That's the difficult word.
Onomatopoeia.
Well done, yeah. Let's go stamping, let's go thumping, let's go rumbling, let's go bumping. Yes, it's
And we looked at alliteration, so we wrote silly sentences with some of our names, and then at the end they found the treasure, which was telling them that they were authors now and they could also write in verse.
You're authors now, the very best, so go and write today.
So this afternoon they're going to be going back to their school, and then they're going to be continuing the Swashbuckle Lil story, which I think they started in the courtyard this morning, about how Swashbuckle Lil was in the museum and there's a treasure chest and Lil and the treasure disappeared from it, I think.
You are going to come up with your own ending for the story, okay?
She escapes and she gets out. And yeah, with the crown.
A boy pirate came at the back and he unlocked it so Lil could sneak out.
Lil gets the real one and she takes the treasure and swaps it with the fake. Then she gives the fake one to someone and everyone's saying, wow, amazing.